Are you getting bored with what's coming across your feed? Do you want to start contributing more to the online world? It's time to get your creative juices flowing and make some great content yourself. This is part 1 of 2 for our tutorial on using iMovie to create videos. This first part will focus on transferring the footage you've shot with your phone to your computer and uploading it to the iMovie app. If you'd first like some help learning how to film on your iPhone, check out our tutorial on the very basics of filming with an iPhone, which is linked on the screen as well as in the description. So, what is iMovie? iMovie is a video editing application developed by Apple that is automatically included in your purchase of an Apple product, such as an iMac computer, laptop, iPhone, or iPad. It should automatically be downloaded on your Apple product, but if not, you can go into the App Store on your device and download it for free. For today's video, we will be working on the computer, but a lot of this tutorial may apply to other devices as well. It's the perfect app for beginners, so let's get started. First, you need to take all the content you recorded on your phone and get it to your computer. While for some people it may be easiest to just send them in an email, it's more efficient to use AirDrop, which will instantly send your footage to your chosen device. When we say AirDrop, this is not what we mean. Apple's AirDrop feature is another application that automatically comes with your purchase of an Apple product. It allows Apple users to transfer files among supported devices through close-range, wireless communication to one another. It only works between 2 Apple products. If the AirDrop on your phone is not already on, you can go to your Apple settings, then down to General, and right to AirDrop. You can change the settings from receiving off to either contacts only or everyone. For safety reasons, it's best to have the contacts only option. To allow your computer to accept the AirDrop footage from your iPhone, the AirDrop application on the computer itself must be turned on as well. Locate the Finder app on your computer. This is likely on the bottom of your screen on the bar with other apps such as Google Chrome, Photo Booth, and more. You can also search for it on your computer in the search bar. When the Finder opens, a screen will pop up where you have access to your documents, downloads, desktop items, and more. Here you will find AirDrop at the very top. When you click on it, you will see the text, "Allow me to be discovered by..." This is the same thing we did earlier on our iPhones when we chose who could AirDrop something to us. Now that AirDrop is turned on your computer, go back to your phone and find the footage you wish to send to your computer. Next, choose the Export button on the bottom left. The AirDrop application will be the first one listed. Click on it and it will show you anybody in the area that can receive your AirDrop. Given that your computer and iPhone are connected, your computer contact should show up. If not, you can temporarily turn your computer AirDrop settings to everyone, allowing it to pop up on your phone, but don't forget to change it back. Click on your computer contact and the footage will be sent to your computer. Your computer may get a notification asking whether you want to accept or deny the AirDrop. Click accept and the footage will go straight to your downloads in the Finder app and ready for you to use in creating your video. Now you need a project to put the footage in. When you open iMovie, you will see the project screen. In the upper left corner, click on the plus sign and the box labeled Create New. Today we will only be focusing on movies. Trailers are another kind of project that we will explain in a future video. After clicking Create New, the iMovie program will make you a new project and will label it My Movie. To give it a more distinguishable name, go back to the project screen by clicking on the Projects button in the top left corner. It will then ask you to name your project. Click on it again and start your movie. You will see 4 boxes/sections. At the bottom is the video timeline where you will arrange and edit your footage. Above it is where you can import and store your media such as your footage and music. To the left, you'll see your movie name and below it, libraries. We are going to ignore libraries for now. And finally, the big screen on the right is where the movie that you're making is displayed. Now that the footage is on your computer, you can upload it to iMovie. You're almost there. Click on the Import Media button under the large arrow. A screen will pull up which gives you access to the files on your computer. Now this may get confusing, so feel free to pause or rewind. Depending on the amount of files on your computer, your screen may look different from this one. However, the thing that we have in common is that we can find our downloads. It will be next to a small icon of a blue folder. Next, click on the little arrow on the other side of the icon, which will create a drop-down list of your downloads. If the footage you recently airdropped to your computer is not right at the top of the list, don't fret. At the top where each row is labeled, you will find content created. Click on it and it will rearrange all your folders and files to be organized by date, but in this case, it's not how we want. Click on it one more time, then locate your downloads again. Your footage should now be right at the top. Hold down your Command key while you individually select the files you'd like to import to iMovie. When they are selected, they will turn blue. When you've got your video selected, click on Import Selected. This will add the said footage to your media screen, which stores all of the content you upload to it. To recap, here's a list of what we just went over in case you'd like to see it in writing. And the most important tip is to have fun, experiment. In no time, this will all be second nature, and soon enough, you may be explaining all of this to someone else. That's our quick and easy guide to transferring your footage to iMovie. Part 2 will discuss how to place the videos on the timeline, how to rearrange them, and how to add simple graphics. When you're ready for the next part of the tutorial, head to the Flip the Lens tutorial playlist and look for Part 2. It will also be linked in the description and listed here. See you soon.